Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate document management with Box easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Box account. Once you're signed in, navigate to the folder where you want to manage documents. Click on the new button to create a new folder if needed. Name your folder appropriately for easy identification. Next, upload the documents you want to manage by clicking the Upload button. Select the files from your computer that you want to add to Box. Once uploaded, click on the newly added document. To automate, go to the Automations tab located on the right side of the document view. Here, click on Add Automation to set up a new workflow. Choose the type of automation you'd like to create. This could include actions such as notifying team members or triggering tasks based on document activity. Configure the conditions that will activate the automation. For instance, you could set it to trigger when a document is added or modified. After setting the conditions, determine the specific actions that should occur. You may want to send an email, move files to another folder, or generate a report. Once all settings are configured, click Save to activate the automation. Return to the main folder view to see your newly organized documents. Periodically review your automations for effectiveness and make adjustments as needed. Utilizing these automations will streamline your document management process significantly. Now you are all set to enhance your productivity with Box's document management automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate, and if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.